Now, how do you use the Amazon Kindle service? Let's get into it. So, the Amazon Kindle is the platform for online books developed by Amazon. And this is available on multiple different platforms. So, if you have an iPhone, you can download the Kindle app from the App Store. Same for an Android device, where you can download the same app in the Google Play Store. Same for iPad, and so on. You should also know that there is a dedicated Kindle e-reader device, which you can buy separately, and it kind of works the same way pretty much, because on any of these platforms or apps, you have to sign in with your Amazon account that you used to purchase your Kindle ebooks. And this will give you access to your entire library. So it's pretty simple in that sense because it just syncs everything across multiple different platforms. And as you are inside of the app or using the Kindle device, you can either browse your existing library and start reading the book, customize the font, the view, the layout, all of that stuff, or you can browse some titles you haven't purchased before and just get them, right? So the Amazon account usually has your payment details ready and embedded, logged into that account. So you can just click on purchase usually and add that title to your library across your devices. So as I'm saying, it doesn't matter which platform you use, they should all share the same things, especially the progress in your reading. So if you read 20 pages, you can continue on another device and just continue with the progress. So that's how it works. As I said, you can also just customize the view and everything. And if you want to see more dedicated videos about these devices and Kindles, subscribe for more to this channel so you never miss anything important in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.